Hi, Gravedigger.
Hi, Maxie.
What are we doing today in the video?
Well, we're gonna make a stadium and see who's better than each other.
Oh. Wait a minute.
We both landed.
I'm better than you because I have cool spikes. Spike.
He landed it again. That is true, but I have fire and ghost.
Oh, you do have ghosts and fire. Well, I challenge you to see who's better. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? No, don't do it!
Kids to kids.
All right, here's the first challenge. It's the bashing challenge.
Yeah.
Ready?
Well, I definitely push.
Wait, let me pull mine back further. I'm gonna pull mine back so it's super strong. All right, I'm ready. You're going down, Max D. Oh, you're doing a double pull back? Oh, I'm pulling mine back then.
I'm ready.
There, I'm ready too. Ready, set, go. Ah! Whoa! Smash.
Look, I want to do something.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if he can go from there to there.
All right. Pull them back and let's see. That's good. The click is good.
I just gotta get him back
Okay.
here.
Let's see if Max Ski
Look
can.
out. Woo! I guess he can.
No problem.
I'm doing the race.
All right, we're gonna race these two and see who's fastest. We'll pull it back till you hear the click, okay? I didn't hear the click yet. I lift it up. Yep, there's my click.
There's my click and I did it twice.
Okay, put your tires against the wall. Yeah.
My piece keeps falling off.
All right, don't worry about it.
Go.
Oh, no. No, pull it back further. And your mark, set, go.
Well, I'm way faster than you.
You released yours faster. We gotta do it another way. Make it fair.
Yeah.
Maybe we have like a broom or something.
Yeah.
Okay, we found a way. We're gonna use the meter stick. Pull them back. Welcome to Monster Jam Racing. On your mark.
Get set, go. I was in the lead.
I don't know. That was really close. We have to check the slow-mo.
Yeah.
That was super close.
It's a tie.
That's amazing. That was a tie. The exact same speed.
Okay, well then let's see if I can go way faster.
All right. Let's see if I can go way faster.
Go on.
Tell me when.
Go. Oh, I'm way faster.
Oh yeah, you beat me. That was pretty fair.
Yeah.
I think Max D is a little faster. So let's make a stadium. What should we do? Do you want to make like a one long line of ramps?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just make one big long line of ramps.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's grab some of these ramps out here. Caleb, an idea. We can grab some of these ramps. Got some of these.
Just need one more.
Find it.
Yep.
Let's set those up.
Yeah.
This is our line that we're making.
I know what we could do for these ones. We could do this. This here, this there, there,
What?
and then there.
What? How's that gonna work? The wheels are too big on the.
Oh yeah.
You have to be at least.
This, and then this, and then this.
Yeah. Okay, that's like a cool like double ramp high.
Or we could do
Let's
this.
just try it.
We could do this. Wait. Just wait.
That should be able to. They should be able to do that. Ready.
Oh yes. You ready?
We got the double ramps. Got this whole line. Let's do the challenge. What's the challenge gonna be?
Who lands the most jumps?
Out of how many? How many tries should they get?
10.
Okay, so who lands the most out of 10 tries? We don't need to do timed. Let's just do 10 tries. Who's going first?
I'm pretty sure.
Max D. Vroom vroom.
Or
Grave digger.
Digger.
Vroom vroom.
I think Max D. Also, one thing. When I threw my blanket, I did not know, but I just landed right on this puppy.
Oh, where did this puppy come from? Ah! Mad puppy, mad puppy. Just kidding. Let's do it. Who's first? Max D or Grave Digger?
I told you, Max D.
Max D. 10 tries, Max D. Let's do it. Should we take the flag off?
Yeah. Wait.
Flag off.
Wait. This has to go on.
Go Max D. Go Max D.
Go Max D. I want Max D to win.
Me too. But I think Grave Digger's gonna win. I don't know, because Grave Digger wins every monster jam we've ever been to. Let's try it.
Max D Fire won once.
He did do
That
well.
was awesome freestyle he did.
Wind him back. Pull him back. Keep going. Till you hear the click.
This is going to be ready soon and now. Woo!
Oh.
Let's try another one.
Good air.
Yeah, that was awesome there. What would happen if it was a time?
I guess we'll find out. Oh. 2 tries. You gonna try some different ramps?
Yeah, the far jump is usually easy.
Okay. Oh. Three tries. No lands. Oh, you're gonna try the double ramp?
Mm-hmm. That I made up. Go.
Oh! He hit the green one.
Barely. Of course.
That's a sky jump right there.
Yeah!
Landed it.
Yes.
First one. So he's got 5 more to go.
Sky jumps.
Sky jumps are hard, but cool.
Woo!
Man,
I did a flip.
that was amazing. You should do that one again. You wanna do this one? That was so cool. Ready?
I'm doing that. Oh, it's so close.
He like does like double flip when he hits those. Oh, that's straight up in the air.
Okay.
He's only got 2 more tries left, right?
Yep.
Come on, Max D.
More Max D.
You going for that one? That's the one he hit before?
So strong. Yeah, 2.
Two.
But this is the last try.
Last try. Ready?
Yeah. Your digger is so much fun. It only has 2 lands.
I know. Max D had 2 lands. I'm not sure if you're gonna win, Max D. Gravedigger, can you beat it?
Maybe.
Take the flag off. Let's see if it works.
Oh, that's so close.
Almost a wheelie.
Yeah, that would be 2 points counted. Ah, 1 land.
Hooray! One down, 1 to go.
This is the second try. He's probably have 9 lands.
Let's see. Oh, I hear the click.
Did you see that?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, ready. Oh. So he's landed 2 out of 4 tries. He just needs to land 1 more time.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready. Wait a minute. You found a secret on how to make it land. You made it. You didn't pull it back as far.
Okay, then let's do that again.
Okay.
Wait, does he have 2?
Should we count that one?
No.
Okay. So what try are we on? Number 5?
Yeah.
Pull it back till you hear a click. Okay, now we're ready to roll. It's a little harder.
6.
So we're on try 6. So you got 5 tries to go. Oh!
7.
Try these.
Okay. Oh, wait.
That is so cool. It's like a flip ring.
Yeah.
I want to see someone land one of those.
Yeah.
These flip ramps are awesome. That counts.
Yep. One more try. The grave digger head.
That's funny. He did it.
Just 3. I got 2.
For sure he won. Does he have one more try left?
No, that was his last try.
Gravedigger, you won. You are the man. Good job. High five.
You did good too.
Thank you, friend. Bye, kids.
Yeah, bye, kids. See you next time on Monster Jam videos. Bye.
Bye. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.